Hi my dear children, how are you all? Can we study today English grammar? Yes students, today we will study the English first lesson of your English text, that is kinds of sentences. Children, you all might have learned about what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense, and a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. And today we will study what are the different kinds of sentences. There are 4 different kinds of sentences. What are these 4 different kinds of sentences? Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentences. So what are the 4 different kinds of sentences? Assertive sentence or statement, interrogative sentence or questions, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. And first let us see what is an assertive sentence. An assertive sentence always makes a statement. For example, this path leads to the zoo. I study English. I like to eat mangoes. All these are statements, or we can say assertive sentences. And we can make assertive sentences as positive or negative. The positive sense giving sentences can be said to be affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences. Affirmative means it makes a positive meaning. And if the sentence make a negative meaning, the sentence can be said to be a negative sentence. So let's see the example. This path leads to the zoo. So it's a statement and it gives a positive sense that we can reach the zoo. This path will lead us to the zoo. So it is an affirmative sentence. And in the second sentence, I cannot solve this sum. I cannot, that means it is not possible. So if the sentence makes a negative sense, the sentence can be a negative sense. So we can conclude that assertive sentences can be written as either affirmative sentences or negative sentences. Now let's see what is an interrogative sentences. Interrogation means questions. Interrogative sentences always make questions. For example, what is your name? How old are you? I cannot do this sum. I cannot go to school. So all these are interrogative sentences. And we can make interrogative sentences also into affirmative and negative. For example, what is your name? It's an affirmative sentence. And I cannot do this sum. That means it's not possible. So the sentence provides a negative sense and it is a negative sentence. And the third kind of sentence is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence always makes a request, command, advice or proposal. Let's see the first sentence. Help me please. So whenever the sentence writes like this, the sense itself can be revealed as it is a request. So if the sentence makes a request, it can be an imperative sentence. Don't make noise. So it's a command. If the students are making noise in the class, the teacher will say, don't make noise. So it's a command. Now, obey your teachers or obey your parents obey your elders. All these are advices. Let's bask in the sun. Let's go for a movie. All these are proposals. That means we are inviting someone to do that thing. So it's a proposal. So what is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence can be a request, a command, an advice or a proposal. And imperative sentences also can be either affirmative or negative. Now fourth kind of sentence is exclamatory sentences. Exclamations, that means outbreak of our feelings. Sometimes we will be expressing our anger, our surprise, our happiness or our sadness. So all these feelings will be expressed in another kind of sentence which is known as exclamatory sentences. For example, what a beautiful flower. So on seeing the beautiful flower we will be surprised. So it gives us the feeling surprise. Oh, we won the prize. So we will be very happy when we win a game or something. We will be very happy. So happiness also will be expressed. So that sentence is known as exclamatory sentence. Let's see the third sentence. Stay out of my room. That means the sense gives the idea that the person is of anger. So anger also can be expressed. So all these expressions of our feelings can be written in sentences which are known as exclamatory sentences. So students, I hope you could understand what are the four different kinds of sentences. The four different kinds of sentences are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentences. Now let's do the worksheet. Page number 5. All the students take your text and go through the text. Listen carefully and read carefully. Okay. First sentence is the dog guards the flock. It's an assertive sentence. It's already given in the text. Second sentence, I'm thankful for all my blessings. Assertive sentence. Honesty is the best policy. It's imperative. May our parents live long. Exclamatory. Please lend me your book. Imperative. What is your father? Interrogative. Only the brave win honor. Assertive. Get out of my sight. Imperative. What a charming scene. Exclamatory. Prevention is better than cure. Imperative. Beware of thieves. Imperative. Whom did you meet? Interrogative. What a beautiful smile you have. Exclamatory. New Delhi is the capital of India. Assertive. Have you brushed your teeth today? Interrogative. Hurrah! We have won the match. Exclamatory. Should I phone you or send an email? Interrogative. It takes two to make a quarrel. Imperative. Who has not heard of Gandhiji? Interrogative. Make up your mind by tomorrow. Imperative. Students, I will be uploading the answers through the WhatsApp. By the time you also try to understand what is a statement, what is an interrogative sentence, what is an imperative sentence and what is an exclamatory sentence.